Ukuthula bandla elihle likaNkulunkulu nani nonke enibuka lo mlayezo. Besilapha endaweni yaseBramfisher siyimpumalanga Holy Church in Zion. Ngaphansi kwesigodi esilapha ebambisanani under President Mthembu okunguye okhulumayo khona manje. Le ngqungquthela lena i part of the calendar yesonto ibandla lakithi ke impumalanga Holy Church in Zion. Ukuthi ke sibe nengqungquthela njalo ngonyaka ukuthi ke sibuyise sigqugquzele abantu abasha aligned futhi ke again nani na the Constitution of the Republic ukuthi ke uJune simthatha njengenyanga yabantu abasha. So yingakho nisibonile lapha eBramfisher nabona ama branch from Mpumalanga, KZN, Gauteng, Northwest kanye namanye ama province angaphandle kodwa ke lawo amqoka yilawo awu4 engwabalile enwabonile lapha ke kule ngqungquthela besinayo. So umlayezo wethu nje omkhulu ukuthi ke abasha abavuke bayithathe, abasha mababuyisele isidima senkonzo lapho ifanele khona nokuthi ke kuvuselelwe imilo. Yingakho ke the theme of the year yale youth convention yethu ibe moral regeneration, ukufinyeleliswa kwemilo. So manje ke ngeke ngikhulume okuningi kakhulu ke ake ngidedele umuntu omusha okunguye beka hosta ukuthi ke anichazisele ukuthi ke bekwenzakalani kule ngqungquthela. uNkulunkulu abe nani. Amen.
Sanibonani ibandlelisa laseMpumalanga la okhulumayo Manqoba okaMthembu obuya ebranchini yasebambisanani. I'm also Secretary General of the Executive Youth Ministry. The whole point of Youth Convention is to ukuhlangana as ama-branch waseMpumalanga, all 17 branches ne-youth yakhona sizokwazi ukufunda, sizokwazi to get taught, educated about isonto and also ezinye izinto as umuntu omusha that you need to learn. Inkonzo iyasiguide ezintweni eziningi as umuntu omusha ukuthi singasingasinasi siphume endleleni kweintoni zomhlaba as ama-drugs, substance abuse, i-crime seyiningi elizweni lethu la. So isonto it helps us a lot ukuthi sihlale endleleni ekaJesu, singaphumi endleleni. Lama activity lawa besiwayenza during the day emini, they also help us ama skills such as team building, communication, as you've seen lama activities lawa besiwayenza, they help us a lot. So that is why isonto, and that is why isonto lenza youth convention, so that we can nathi lisize singase siphume endleleni kwenteni ezomhlaba. Bekusebusuku manje uReverend Mthembu wasivulela inkonzo yethu ngomthandazo.
Nkosi engcwele baba nansi inkonzo yakho sinikeze isandla sakho somusa. Ngigcineke Nkosi le nkonzo yakho namhlanje elapho ke abantwana bakho bawungena khona kuyo. Bakamsake baba amandla akho avele ezulwini ngalesi sikhathi. Bona liseke izwi lakho ubonakala umsa wakho. Ngegama lakhe elinamandla lomfowethu uJesu Kristu. Siyakhuleka wena Nkosi engcwele. Yiba nabantwana bakho.
Njengoba uReverend Mthembu sekasivulela inkonzo ngomthandazo wenkonzo, nathi sesiyacula ingoma esiyazi sonke la eMpumalanga iyasho ukuthi masiyene eMpumalanga, masiyene eMpumalanga.
Amen. Amen.
Njengoba sinibona abaphathi bonke bayasukuma nabo bathi masiyene eMpumalanga, they are singing out of joy, nathi we are supporting them ngoba we believe ukuthi you are all from different directions and we are going to one direction la khona kuphuma ilanga, because sonke sikholelwa ukuthi singukukhanya kwezwe. uSecretary General wenkonzo yaseMpumalanga was welcomer as ulusha waseMpumalanga Holy Church in Zion. As this is our event as e-youth in umsebenzi wethu, our chairperson gave us a warm welcoming to start off and kick off the event so that we can take over as e-youth.
Sizoqhubeka ngenkonzo yethu. I-item elandelako nje ukukhanyisa kwamakhandlela.
uMengameli uMiya waseweza wasikhulekela wethu amakhandlela wethu oyi7 representing ama-sundries ayi7 lapha esibhedini sethu sesonto.
Sofuna incwadi yesambulu, incwadi yebani. Imfihlakalo ezikhanyezi ezisikhombisa uzibonile esandleni sami sokunene nezithi zezibane ezisikhombisa zingamabandla esikhombisa. Izinkanyezi ezisikhombisa zingamabandla esikhombisa. Lezi inkilozi ezisikhombisa zingamabandla esikhombisa asePhirikadini.
One of our own ke la ku youth executive, one of our executive members wasukuma ke wasikhanyisela nathi amakhandlela wethu esikumsebenzi wethu we-youth. We also had Umholi wethu uSiphiwe Mthembu guiding us throughout the whole program, as driver the whole program. She was our program director, who also known as a previous chairperson of the youth.
Okwamanje, we are moving to our next item.
Lapha it is now the baton ceremony, baton handing over from our previous host by last year, New Zealanders, who were hosting a youth convention 2024. They were handing over a baton to Ibambisanani, who are currently have hosted a youth convention 2025. Ke lapho kwaba mnandi, handing over hamba kahle, words with exchange, kwaculwa, everything just went well.
Ngithanda ukubonga usuku oluhle kanje. Ngithanda ukunibonga maholi aveni bahle. Futhi sithande ukubonga ibranch eceda ukusinikeza ibaton ukuthi siyathembisa ukuthi sizoyiphatha kahle futhi sizolida iyouth yethu njengoba mele ilidwe ngakhona.
Lapha we had a flag revealing ceremony le conductor imo uManqoba Mthembu.
La siphethe i-ceremony yokureveala the youth flag. Thina as i-executive qeda ukubeka manje Good Friday safika sabheka ama-task lawa sibuka ngathi awa-completewanga to the previous executive. So that instead of we continue on to new projects, let us start off by finishing off ama-task that were given to the previous executive, which one of them was to create a new flag for e-youth. Ngoba ikhona e-youth, I mean ikhona i-flag yesonto, ikhona i-flag yembokodo, but e-youth tona ayikho represented. So we took it upon us which is sithathe le task le complete within the past 3 months. So mesaqela la uTalent nobuhle basivulele kahle i-flag ekuzoba the new youth ministry flag. Amen.
Njengoba kumsebenzi wethu we-youth nathi we had also our motivational speakers. Usis Pamela lapha gave us a lot of wise words and a lot of words of encouragement, together with uGift Mabena, our chairperson. Naye wasifaka ku-convention. The whole reason we were there was yala about a lot of things, our mission, our vision. He gave us zonke iyalo lezi esidingayo as e-youth. We also had one of our guest speakers, Babu Thabo Malema, who gave us a lot of words of encouragement. Motivation yakhe, it was up to the rooftop.
Come together, look at who is good at what and ask for help from the church to generate revenue and income for the church, so that you don't have to go and submit CVs, Start now. Now, when you talk about this person, I cannot tell you the thing again. Limiting. I didn't say no. Okay, Rotsabela guy, the guy has on the side. How reflect from Cape Town, but I don't know what I'm doing. I need to swim again. So take charge of your lives. Be born now. Sacrifice now. To live like a king later, you must be a slave to yourself now in the dreams. If your dreams don't shock you, go back to sleep.
Ngasho ukuthi inkonzo yethu as the youth abantu abasha ehambe kahle kakhulu. Our aim was fulfilled. Ipurpose yakhona, it was fulfilled. Yonke into that was planned, it went according to plan. A program, it went smoothly. Everything from the morning ekseni kufika ama branch to 6 ekseni the next day ni 29. Yonke into ihambe kahle nje, sibonga kini, sibonga isupport, sibonga uthando that you showed. Everything nje sibonga ukuthi nikwazile ukufika nje na support as ibrand yasibambisanani si host the Youth Convention 2025. Siyabonga kini lo maholi amahle, siyabonga kini maholi wonke. Sisingahlangana futhi next year to the next Youth Convention 2026.